Hello, 1600, Deputy Doug, Witch Doctor, Bulldozer, Australia. You don't have to go nowhere, Deputy Dog. You be the loudest. Hey, Deputy Dog, you got that, I think you said a Johnson. You got that thing, you be loud, loud. You be the loudest in my radio, Deputy Dog, I'll let you know. Right on, Deputy. Right on, Deputy. You have a good one, man. Deputy Dog, Bulldozer, downtown city of Melbourne is back wire, back wire. Trying to come for Alaska there, 1600, but it's rough. Hey, 1600, it's rough around Alaska, but I'll see if I can get up there. 1600, Bulldozer cruising right here. Right there, 1600, you're making a rail here, Witch Doctor. Right now, someone around San Francisco Bay too. Whole lot of conditions, that's what I'm hearing. Bulldozer, Australia, right here. Hey, Cherokee, it's on 25. Break. Someone's trying to put the no contact, no Roger around Australia. Try here to get back. Bit rough on that one. Hello out there, hanging around San Francisco Bay. Bulldozer, Australia, waiting this mail. Yeah, sneaking around there, WD. Hey, Witch Doctor, you're sneaking in between the keys. Hey, Witch Doctor, as you're sneaking up in there between the keys, Bulldozer, hers, you right there. Right there, Witch Doctor, yeah, I'm hearing bits and pieces. I've got one of my locals down here, or someone making some funny noises, sort of jamming up the situation too. Witch Doctor, all the gang out there, around San Francisco as well. Witch Doctor, Deputy Dog, 1600, and all the gang, Bulldozer, right here. Alright then, which doctor will see you on your barefooted radio? I'll be doing some talking down in Australia. Which doctor, as I put a grin on your chin, Bulldozer got down. Check, WD. Alright, which doctor I'll put on you later? I'm back reading the mail. Bulldozer in the station down under, is that correct? That's right. As you do it one more time, 1600, that's what you did. Hey, here comes 16 again, here comes 16 again. 1600, Alaska, Bulldozer, break base. Hey, which doctor, man? Yo, 1600 got a little bit more audio out there. Hey, which doctor? 1600, just that scotchy bit louder. 1600, which doctor? Break. That's your radio check. Hey, Deputy Dog, man, you cut them all off. Oh, Deputy Dog, you cut their radios in half. Deputy Dog, you got the loudest audio in Australia at this current time, their break. Well, Deputy Dog, man, they Antique Johnson's talking. Hey, Deputy Dog, now it's your turn to burn there, mate. I'll be kicking which doctor's barefooted Yakima around a bit. Deputy Dog on that barefoot Johnson, Bulldozer got down.
Hey, Bulldozer, quickie.
Yeah, Deputy Doug, I think you're starting up a band or something like that. You got a few background singers. Hey, Deputy Dog, she got the background singers under control. Deputy Dog, Bulldozer told you how it is. Quick.
Hey, Bulldozer, quickie. I want to see what that Barefoot Johnson does with this Barefoot Yesu right here. Hello, Bulldozer. One of these boys up north standing by.
Someone trying to get my attention out there. Someone else come up in there and said, hello, Bulldozer. I just didn't get the 28. Bulldozer, going to get back quiet. Read this mail.
Hey, Bulldozer, I'm just trying to inch it up a little bit at a time, just so I can see where that mud duck is at down there. Hello, Bulldozer. Number 6 of these boys is getting down.
Hey, you got it that time, number 6 of boys. Hello, number 6. Been a while since I heard you out here. Hello, number 6. Yeah, I got 1600. Deputy Dog, Woodstock, and all the gang. You come up in there too. Hello, number 6 of the boys, Bulldozer, Australia, looking out.
Yeah, I've been listening to you for about 15 minutes over here, Bulldozer. I actually heard you out here a little while ago. I was just inside watching TV, but I haven't been keying up a whole lot, man. My throat's been kind of funny, so I can't talk too long. It'll get real scratchy and stuff. I'll start to lose my voice, but so that's what's going on. Anyways, I'm gonna sit back and read the mail. Maybe I'll catch me one of these mud ducks out here and I can key on them or something. But I got the video going, so I'll stick it up there later on so you can check it out. Hello, Bulldozer. You know who it is. I'm reading the mail.
Right on that, that's number 6, man. As you said, you can't talk too much. You still got a bit of a sore throat problem, mate. I think last time out there you said you had a bit of a throat voice problem too. But anyway, you have a good one there, number 6 with boys, as you're doing your thing down here in Melbourne, Australia. Number 6, Bulldozer station down there is back out.
Yeah, it probably will. I probably did. I've had this for a while. It kind of comes and goes, you know. It's right now. It's real scratchy. If I do a lot of talking, it gets worse. As long as I keep my mouth shut, I'm cool, you know. But that's hard to do sometimes. Anyways, I'm gonna stand by and read the mail, see what's going on. I'll be I'll be around though. Hey, Bulldozer, you need me, call me to break.
Number 6. Well, that's what happens. It's probably a pretty bad hobby to have if you like talking and you just want to not talk and you've got a throat problem. So, man, you be careful them vocal cords there, number 6. You want to burn them out. Hello, number 6. It's just sort of got to not talk. That'll be a hard thing to do. Number 6, Bulldozer, Australia, got down.
Yeah, that's what time it is. That's exactly what time it is. All right, but I'm gonna stand by and see what's going on. I might even run in and grab me something to drink because I feel it's kind of scratchy right now. But anyways, Bulldozer, I'll get with you. I'll be reading the mail. I might not keep up no more, but I'll be standing by. I'm back 10-7.
Raiders, you're going back 10-7. I'll kick back to, man. Number 6. I think you're in which doctor went number 6 off the key. He's still up in there. But 6 got that thing laid down at this current time. Which doctor? Number 6, Bulldozer, Australia. Got down.
Yeah, it's 9 over here too, just so you know. I still got you at 9 pounds. I'll get with you.
25. Well, check on that number 6. I appreciate the radio check. All right, I'm going to grab a quick little bite to eat. I'll be reading the mail. Put this radio back on the floor. Sorry, 6. Which doctor? Deputy Dog and all the gang. Bulldozer. Break.
Wait a minute, Roadmaster 25 got down right there.
Barefoot Radio, which doctor? Hey, which doctor? Barefoot Starland, right there.
Scheduling a Roadmaster 25. Oh, Billy George is gone right there. Oh, yeah, he's we get some late California skip coming in. Hello, Deputy Dole. They're around Bakersfield. Oh, Billy George, he got down.